Welcome to this Vanderfield VNet video on how to update GreenStar software. Firstly, you need to go to your computer, log on to the internet, and then log on to the Stellar Support webpage. Select the Australia and New Zealand page, and then select the Ag and Turf icon. This will take you to the Stellar Support homepage, where we need to select Downloads and Updates. We now need to find the GS3 System 2630 update and click Download Now. You'll be then asked if you want to run or save this update program. We need to save it. Once downloaded, we need to find where the GS Live Update Setup program was saved. By default, Windows 7 computers will store it in the Downloads folder. So we need to open up this GS Live Update program, and it will install the program on your computer and put an icon on your desktop. So depending on the type of display you have in your machine, your requirements will be slightly different. For a 2600 display, you need to have a compact flash card reader. So the compact flash card out of the display needs to be inserted into the card reader and hooked up to your computer. For an 1800 or 2630 display, you need to have a USB thumb drive and put that USB into the port on your computer. And then we now start the GS Live Update program. So double click the GS Live Update icon. Once started, we'll ask you to click Next to check for updates. Now, if you haven't used this program recently, it will download the latest update. However, if you have used the program recently and have the latest update downloaded, you'll be then asked to click Copy to save it to a storage device. We then need to select the display model, so click the arrow to drop down the box. Select your display model. We then need to select the drive where your card is or USB is in the computer. In this case, the USB is in F drive. We now click Copy Now. This will now copy the latest software update to your storage device. So once that's finished, you'll be either asked to click Next to copy the software to another storage device, or click Close to exit. So before you take the USB or the card reader out of the computer, we need to safely remove the software by clicking on the icon in the bottom right hand corner of the computer screen. Select your storage media, and then it will be safe to remove from your computer without damaging any files. We now take the compact flash card or your USB to the machine. For a 2600 display, you need to insert the compact flash data card and then power up your machine. When the screen starts, you'll be prompted to update the software and click Accept. For an 1800 or 2630 display, you power up the display. When started, insert the USB thumb drive in, and the software will automatically be recognised, and you'll then be prompted to update the software and click Accept. Wait for the update to load, and this may take up to 30 minutes depending on the size, and then you're right to go. Well, that concludes another VNet video. I hope it's helped you. Remember, for all your AMS technical support, please call our call centre on 1300 MyVTAC. That's 1300 69 88 22.